Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can find the element using tag name. You can see here this is a HTML file and this is the button use me, and if I will click on it, so you can see button got pressed. If I right click here and if I inspect it, so you can see this is the inspection, and I will hover over on it, so use me, and you can see here button. So this is the button where we need to click. I want to automate it. Using tag name we can automate. So tag name is button. It's very simple. So try, and here first of all we will initialize driver. So web driver dot chrome, and driver will load here URL driver dot cat. So here the URL is, you can see this is the file. I will copy it, and here you can paste it. After that I will accept the exception. So accept exception as ex, and I will print that, and inside else clause we can write driver dot find element by tag name. So you can see here element by tag name, and here I will pass the tag name is button. So if I will see here HTML code of this file, so there are two buttons, one is this and one is this one, but it will check for the first one. It will start scanning from first line, and whenever it will get the first tag, it will work only on that one. So try to avoid this element by tag. Don't use the selector. Time.sleep, and let's say 5 seconds. Time.sleep again, let's say for 10 seconds. After that finally we will close driver.quit. So we will close the browser. If I will run this program, you can see the output. So just see here it got clicked automatically, so button pressed. So in this way you can work with find element by tag name, but try to avoid the use of tag name because there is a ambiguity. So it will take the first one. If you are using n number of same tag, then it will extract the first one. So in next video we will work with XPath. Thanks for watching.